So, good day everyone, especially to Miss. So today, I will answer two questions na mostly pangutana sa mga incoming first year in college. So, first is, why did you choose nursing, or was it your choice in the first place? So, first and foremost, I will also ask myself, why did I choose nursing ba? Was it really my first choice? So, I'll answer you honestly, guys. Nursing, or to become a nurse, is my dream. That was my heart and mind once. But if you question me in a deeper level, I'll answer you honestly na siguro through my self-experience, because when I was a child, I experienced being the one who been taken care of nurses, doctors, in the medical field. Because of that experience, anak ko sa kong kagalingan, when I grow up, I want to become a nurse too. Gusto na ko nga ako na sad ang nibuhat sa kong sa ilahan, nibuhat na pag-alaga sa ako when I was a kid. And also, for other reason, was my grandfather. Kasi, 3 years ago, kay Diana, storytelling. So, 3 years ago, my grandfather was diagnosed with a severe cancer. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a lung cancer. I'm not sure. And I was one of the people who took care of him for almost years na nag-fight siya for that specific illness. Then there came sa point na the hospital or the doctor advised us to discharge him sa hospital kasi there's no chances naman to recover, or even if nasugot me na operahan siya for to be able to like mag-live longer, wala dyan po yun. There's no use. Ganon. So, I also experienced na I was the one, ako ang last person na nagunitan niya. Last person na nakagunit sa iya bago siya nawala. So because of that experience, that really touched my heart so much. Wait lang. And also, nag-struggle siya sa akong desire to pursue nursing. That experience, encouraged me more and inspired me more why I wanted to become a nurse. Because I want to help people. Ako naman, since I have already experienced it, gusto na ko tabangan sila sa mga times na lisod, mga times na need nila og tabang. And second is, how do you see yourself 5 years from now after passing the board exam? So 5 years from now, after passing the board exam, I think I see myself working abroad as a registered nurse, RN. I want to build a successful career sa nasod kasi mas dako jud ang opportunity sa other country kaysa diri sa Pilipinas. Gusto na ko gusto ko makabuild a better future, not just for my own good, but also for the sake of my family, my parents, my sister, my younger sister. And also, to continue the path that my kuya never na-experience ako. Supposed to be cool. Gusto na ko maka-give back ko sa akong parents. Kaya gabi lang sacrifice, yung hard work. And also, nilang support sa ako. Kasi growing up, grabe dyan. Like, I saw their sacrifice, their hard work. I'm not saying no. na lisod. Kasi they never let me feel that, no. Gusto na ko mubawi, like, kanang ako na po. Ako na sad. Ako naman ang taya. Ako na bahala sa inyo. And ano na ko. And also at the same time, gusto na ko mag-continue na mag-grow dito sa kung asa man kung ato 5 years from now. Not just by profession but also personally. While nag-serve ko sa mga future patients na ko. And also, dili na mahitabo kung wala ang help ni God. Kasi God knows kung ano sa man jud ang mahitabo in the future. But for now, I will work hard and study hard para makuha na ko akong gusto. And that's all. Thank you.